Alright, well, I'm back with another video because there's another piece of baby equipment to be put together. This is the Bassinet Dream Suite Bassinet and Changer. I guess that's what it's going to look like. I am not sure how long it's going to take me. I'm hoping some of the pieces are together, but I am going to open this box up, lay out the pieces, get the directions, and I'll pick this video back up. Alright, so I took everything out of the box. There's one thing that I like is when you start seeing a lot of stuff that's already put in. Seems like the poles are in here, the poles are already in there. It doesn't look like a whole lot. Kind of happy about that. I have been putting together a lot of stuff, so like I said, it looks like it's pretty much a lot of this stuff is together. So let me get the directions out and I'll walk you through. So I just rotated this around. Basically, like the directions say, you basically just squeeze the little handle right there and you just turn it around. So that's step one. Now I am getting into this. So let me see how this is and I will check back with you guys. Alright, so basically these bars at the bottom connected in, they clip. You want to hear both two snaps, one on each side. Basically the same thing with the bars at the top here and the bar at the top here. They'll snap into this, and this is one of the ends. 3 of them went in easily. The third, which was I think this one, I had to lay it on its side and really hit it to get it to clip in. So that was you know, a little rough there. So now I am basically up to the next side and I am going to get it going. Alright, here's a little tip you want to listen for. When putting these on, put all 4 in but don't snap them, and then do 2 at a time. It was difficult. This is the last one I have, a little clip right there. So I just need to get this last bar in and we're good to go. But my little tip is lay all the bars in the positions and then click them all at once. But alright, let me get this one last in and then go to the next step. Alright, so I put the legs on. I changed this around too. Just remember, see this red thing? If you're looking at the bassinet, the red piece is going to be on the right. I had to just rotate that. Huge pain. So now we're up. It's actually really flimsy. So I'm guessing we're going to put in some support and get it a little more sturdy. But the legs are really easy. They snap together. So everything's coming along pretty good. Right now, to get to this point, should take you like 5 minutes. So, all right, I'm gonna put together these other pieces right there, and I'll be back. All right, so here's what makes it more sturdy. See these pieces right here? The edges of these corners, as you see, they just go right. Let me go right in there. Just press this, hold on. So you can see I just put it in there and then you just heard it snap. And the same goes with this one. I'm gonna get this and I'll be alright. So me being a new dad and a guy, I forgot to read the freaking instructions to put this other piece that goes right here for the cross support. But what I figured is, So you got the piece. See that? I'm gonna put it, instead of putting it downward, I just did the other, instead of putting it downward, I'm gonna put it upward so it doesn't click in, so I can put it in as far as I can. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the legs off. Hold on. I'm going to take one of the legs off. Let me see. Let me do. So what I did is I took a leg off, kind of bent it as far as it can go, and then I got the support in there. So now we're fully supported, and we're up and running. Bassinet comes up, and it basically Velcros right there if you want to keep it up. And then they gave us some stars that look like they hang from right there. Let's open them up. Alright, so you got the bassinet, changing table on this side, bassinet on the other side. I can't get this back on the other side. But alright, so overall, it takes about 5-10 minutes to put together, no tools. I used the Phillips head just to get, do the pin stuff. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy to do. And I'll be making more videos of the stuff that I'm putting together as a new dad. So if you're told to put together one of these things, don't worry about it. It will not take you that long.